In this video, learn how to make a pillowcase in a very easy process. For more information on materials needed, fabric recommendations, tips, and a step-by-step guide, download our free PDF on our website. If you want to adjust your pillowcase to your bed size measurements, follow the measurement guide to determine your cutting sizes. Cut out the main fabric, cuff, and fabric strip. Fold the length of the cuff and fabric strip in half and press with a hot iron. Lay out the cuff flat, right side up, then place the main fabric right side up on top of the cuff. Add the folded fabric strip on top. The raw edges should be lined up together on the opposite end of the main fabric, away from the layered raw edges. Roll the edge towards the layered raw edges. Fold the cuff around the rolled main fabric. The raw edges should be lined up together. Pin along the raw edge. Sew along the raw edges to make a tube shape. Now that the tube has been created, reach inside and pull out the main fabric. This will turn the tube inside out. Lay the fabric flat, then fold the fabric wrong sides together so the cuff is lined up perfectly, and sew across the raw edges 3/8 of an inch. Trim the seam allowance in half. Turn inside out so that the right sides are together and fold where the seam is. Stitch again using a 1/4 inch seam allowance. This will encase the raw edge. Turn inside out, and the pillowcase is complete. Share your creation on Facebook and Instagram at fabricland.canada.